Hello, I'm David Melding. I'm the Chair of the Constitutional and Legislative Affairs Committee at the National Assembly for Wales. Since the referendum result on the 3rd of March gave the National Assembly extensive powers to make laws for Wales, the issue of whether Wales should become a separate legal jurisdiction has become a matter of public interest and discussion. In particular, the First Minister has indicated that he intends to initiate a public debate about whether a separate Welsh jurisdiction is needed. The committee believes that these developments provide a good opportunity for the technical aspects of this question to be examined and has therefore agreed to conduct an inquiry. We are now inviting all interested parties to share their views on this issue with us.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.